We've completely transformed this master bedroom. It's now got so much style and appeal. We've done a selection of plaster moldings that have been applied right on the walls. We customized these plaster moldings and designed them in a two-part element so that it gives a thicker definition yet still feels contemporary. We've done the same detail on the ceiling as well. And in order to give this space a little bit more storage, we decided to design two beautiful cabinets that anchor the back window of the bedroom. These cabinets have been done in a custom profile and have a stunning chinoiserie detail on them with an antique mirror on the back of it, just to get the light flowing throughout the space and let them feel light and airy. Coming off the large master bedroom, we've got a beautiful master ensuite and master wardrobe all in one space. We've decided to paint the existing wardrobe cabinets out. They were originally a medium colored gray tone, and we really wanted to give this room a refresh. Our floors are gray, and that's an existing gray marble that was in this bathroom, and we wanted to give this space a bit of a contrast and a refresh, so we decided that we were going to paint the cabinet doors in a bright white color, and that's going to give this entire master wardrobe a brand new look.